Once upon a time in the bustling city of Zenland, there lived a quirky character named Max. Max was a bundle of nerves and stress, always running from one task to another, his mind racing at lightning speed. He had a reputation for misplacing things, tripping over his own feet and bumping into door frames. Max's stress levels were off the charts, and everyone knew it. One fateful day, Max stumbled upon a sign that read, "Mindfulness and Stress Reduction Workshop. Find Your Inner Calm." Intrigued and desperate for a change, he decided to give it a try. Little did he know that this workshop would turn his life upside down in the most amusing way. As Max entered the workshop, he was greeted by a serene instructor named Guru Gus, who seemed to float rather than walk. Gus had a contagious aura of tranquility that made Max question if he had stumbled into a parallel universe. Gus began the session with a simple breathing exercise. "Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting go of all your worries," he instructed. Max, ever the overachiever, took a deep breath and exhaled with such gusto that his hair blew backward, sending papers and pens flying off nearby tables. The class erupted in laughter, including Max himself. In that moment, something clicked. Max realized that stress could be disarmed with a dose of humor. From then on, every time he felt overwhelmed, he would take a deep breath and let out a comically exaggerated sigh, turning his stress into a silly spectacle. Max's newfound mindfulness techniques began to work wonders. He learned to embrace his quirks and laugh at his own mishaps, transforming tense situations into moments of lightheartedness. People around him couldn't help but be infected by his contagious laughter. In no time, Max became the unofficial stress buster of Zenland. His signature stress relief sighs and slapstick antics became legendary. People would seek him out just to witness his hilarious stress management techniques. Even Guru Gus couldn't help but chuckle every time Max attended a workshop. Max's journey taught him that laughter and mindfulness were the keys to unlocking a stress-free existence. He had discovered that even in the chaos of daily life, finding humor and being present could transform stress into an opportunity for joy. And so, Max became a living example of how mindfulness and stress reduction could go hand in hand, reminding everyone that sometimes all it takes is a deep breath, a hearty laugh, and a willingness to embrace the absurdities of life.